Janie, how you doing? This is Trent Tate with Tameron Honda. We spoke briefly on the phone earlier this morning, and I just want to take a brief moment just to shoot you a little quick video. This is the 2017 Honda CRV I was telling you about. One of my last remaining packages from that model year. Same vehicle as the 18, but we are prepared to get very aggressive to earn your business. I know you wanted to wait till May, thinking that you were going to get your best deals in. The best deals are right now, Janie, while I still have the inventory available. So I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Trent. You can contact me at 205-504-2358. That's my personal cell phone number. You can reach me there by phone or text. I can't wait for the opportunity to earn your business, Janie, and when you make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.